Hi, I'm Jules Von Hep, celebrity tanning expert and founder of Isle of Paradise. And in this video, you're going to be taught how to apply the Babus Tan using Isle of Paradise waters. Step 1. Make sure your skin is free from any previous self-tan application. Exfoliate your skin using an oil-free scrub. This removes any dead skin cells and makes sure that you're starting your tan with an even skin surface. This will help the tan fade much more evenly. Step 2. Apply moisturizer to your hands, elbows, knees and feet. These are dry areas, so they tend to drink the tan, and adding moisturizer to these areas will make your tan look more natural. Step 3. Prep the skin using Isle of Paradise Prep It. This is a primer, much like a makeup primer. It will allow the tan to go on more evenly and last longer on the skin. You're welcome, babes. Step 4. Apply your chosen shade of Isle of Paradise tanning water. These are available in light, medium, and dark. The best way to think of it is a light tan is a weekend away, a medium tan is a week away, and a dark tan is 2 weeks away. Spray the Isle of Paradise tanning water liberally over your body. Rub in using your hands in circular motions. If you're impatient, take a hairdryer and dry your skin on cool. As a rule, I like to do 2 coats on the body and 1 coat on the face. Make sure you've washed your palms directly after application and pay special attention to in between your fingers. Step 5. The tan takes 4 to 6 hours to develop. In this time, you might want to eat a bowl of ice cream, call a girlfriend, or watch a movie. Do whatever you want, babe, but just don't get wet. Step 6. Go out there and enjoy your glow. Be the babiest person that you can possibly be. I believe in you. When all's said and done and the tan is ready to come off, you need Over It. Over It is a glycolic micellar tan remover. Spray liberally onto the skin, rub until a foaming sensation happens, wait 5 to 10 minutes, take some exfoliating gloves and strip that tan off. And you, my love, are ready to go again. Babes, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Glow forth and be tanned. Love you, bye.